In this video, we will calculate some trigonometry function and inverse function operations by using Scilab, sine function and its inverse function in radians. Cosine function and its inverse function in radians. Tangent function and its inverse function in radians. Cosecant function and its inverse function in radians. Secant function and its inverse function in radians. Cotangent function and its inverse function in radians. Sine function and its inverse function in degrees. Cosine function and its inverse function in degrees. Tangent function and its inverse function in degrees. Cosecant function and its inverse function in degrees. Secant function and its inverse function in degrees. Cotangent function and its inverse function in degrees.